Did you know you can build powerful AI applications without writing a single line of code? Let me show you Langflow, the tool that is changing how the world builds AI. Langflow is a no-code visual development tool built on top of LangChain. It gives you a beautiful drag-and-drop interface where you can build complete AI applications. No Python, no complex setup, just pure visual flow. Instead of writing hundreds of lines of code, Langflow lets you connect blocks visually. Each block is one step in your AI workflow, like a puzzle piece. Drag them, drop them, connect them, and your AI application is ready. It really is that simple. Here is exactly how Langflow works. It all starts with a user input, a question or a command. That input connects to a language model, like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini. The model processes it, uses tools like web search or a database, and delivers a smart output back to the user. The entire flow is built visually, zero code required. So what can you actually build with Langflow? You can build AI chatbots that answer customer questions instantly, smart AI assistants that help your team work faster, automation tools that replace hours of manual work, and intelligent search applications powered by large language models. The possibilities are truly endless. Why does Langflow matter? Because AI development used to take months of coding. Langflow cuts that down to hours. It is simple enough for beginners and powerful enough for professionals. Whether you are a developer, a startup founder, or a complete beginner, Langflow puts the power of AI directly in your hands. So, are you ready to build your first AI application without writing any code? Follow for more AI content and let us build something amazing together.